Came here today. It was a bit. I should say it was a bit tight. Maybe Machita was a mukjela a new system. Ngeke sazi. But then there was a few margin of errors in our tandanga during the game. Mfukeng doesn't support. Akumelanga adlale 10 man. It's like Mfukeng mabamdlala 10 like bam distract her from ama abilities wakhe akasakwazi ukwenza lento best kuyo. So uma bamfaka ezi10 kwamele every time udeep akasakwazi ukuthini aye phambili ayenze what best kuyo. But then amajita singathini sithini unadlalile adlalile Grandi what a goal from Umbule defensive amajita abo waqinile bawasolid. First half besivimba ngobani ngogos
Ricardo Gos.
Gas was ubeka Grand second half like ngithanda goalkeeper commander I defense yakhe khuluma nabantu bakho ukuthi nemfethu uyasilekhala so both goalkeepers bayenzile into leyo and I'm happy about it.
Thank you for it. So looking at today's starting lineup ne belikhona iplayer bo expect ukuthi liqala umdlalo but unfortunately aliqalanga.
According to me it's Umkwana hasn't been involved in the squad team for a long time. So ukumfaka second half asiboni next siya ku AFCON nini Sunday Monday ne so 22 ngiqalisa igame amajita obvious so wayecave system ka Yugo Pros so Yugo Pros faka amajita lawo obvious uMatluludi abobona abomkwana faka amajita different uthina kwazi ucave system yakho hayi ukuthi uyofundisa amajita system sesiku AFCON bese amajita ifa awajeli kule system yakho uzobe ngathi ama player ayakudlisa wena but then otherwise wona amajita hayi it's a good game everything mnandi.
Ngicela mfethu siye ku coach Yugo Pros ne. He was making a statement about Thembi Nkosi-Lorch. How do you feel about umushini ka Thembi Nkosi-Lorch esquadini?
Okay, sharp. Thembi Nkosi-Lorch singathini sithini is missing but then we should reflect on the past. Yugo Pros kwakhuluma I state indaba ka Thembi Nkosi-Lorch. Thembi Nkosi-Lorch is a good player but then angithandi lifestyle yakhe ngaphandle. Thembi Nkosi-Lorch naye a retaliate in self ngokwakhathini athi Yugo Pros makabheka ibhola ayekele thina as ama players so wena as u coach ungambiza umuntu onjalo futhi ngeke usambiza so angeke simple Yugo Pros singathini sithini usichangeile isquad besingazi sizosibukela izama fan squad besisibukela from iTV ever since arrival lo muntu lo asichange everything imnandi no sesikwazi ukuthuka endlini ukwazi uzobukela isquad.
Thank you for it. So my last question to you ne ngicela unginikeze man of the match yakho ya today.
Man of the match mina ngathi amajita adlalile there's no individual player ngibona ngathi yona yi1 edlalile amajita wonke individual brilliance into enjalo.
Awuthi am plan ngiyabonga mfethu. Thank you my brother.